Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a cute reindeer. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're gonna start with the Christmas drawings, but I'm really excited about it, and we're gonna start with this cute reindeer. Let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is the nose, and this is a really small nose. I want to start with a curve and a triangle shape on the bottom. And from this triangle shape, we're gonna do one curve to the left and one curve to the right. So the nose is the smallest part of the picture because this is a cartoon character. The head is big, the body is gonna be a little bit smaller. Then we're gonna draw the nose. So I wanna do and go around all the shapes we just did with a circle. Next we're gonna do the eyes, and for the eyes I'm gonna leave here kind of like a finger space, and I'm gonna do an oval shape. Okay, and the same thing in the other side. And we're gonna leave a little circle inside on the top right, just to give you a little highlight to the eye, like a shine, and we're gonna color with black around it. There. Now we're gonna draw the shapes that are going around his eyes. So we're gonna leave a finger space, and I wanna put a little dot down here on the bottom. Now finger space, and I wanna put another dot down here. And I want to trace an upside down letter U that goes from the dot around the eye and is going to connect with the nose. Okay, let's repeat that step. So I'm going from the point around the eye, connect to the nose. Now we're going to finish the head, and we're going to start with a little curve on each side. And now we're going to connect these two curves going around with a big curve that goes around the eyes. And like I said, this is a cartoon character, so it's very big. It has a very big head. Okay. Now we're going to continue with the ears, and the ears look a little bit like a leaf shape. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go up and down. Now let's go down and up. We're gonna repeat the same shape inside. I'm gonna finish with a little line inside. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. I'm gonna go up, down, and finish in a point. Now down and up. The same shape inside and a line. We're gonna continue here with antlers, and we're gonna go after the ear, leaving a space. We're gonna go up. We're gonna do a curve. And from this point, I'm gonna do two more. 1 and 2, and connect with the head. Okay, I wanna do it again on this side, now pointing to the left. I'm gonna go up, curve down, do 2 more. 1 and 2. Now in his head, we're gonna, because this is a baby deer, we're gonna mark some spots. We're gonna start doing circles around his head, and these circles can be different on mine. They don't have to be the same. I'm just gonna go around here and do a couple on his forehead. Okay. There. Now let's close the face, and we're just gonna go from the left side to the right by doing a curve that goes around the nose. Now for the body, we're just gonna do 2 diagonal lines, and I wanna come down and another one. Now in the middle of these 2 lines, we're gonna do an upside down letter U that is long and skinny. And we're gonna join these 2 with a curve, and the same here. Now for the tummy, we're just gonna keep it simple, and we're gonna do a big wide letter U. And for the hands, I'm gonna come from this corner down and curve and connect with the body, down and curve. And there, that's it. We finished this reindeer that is super cute and standing right here. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors, and at the end I decided to add some presents here to make it look even more Christmas. You can add some snow falling off, you can add something in the background, a Christmas tree, and I hope you like this lesson and it was easy for you to follow. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!